Bifold patio doors, Washington, D.C. deliver a sleek, space-saving upgrade for homes and businesses that want more light, easier access, and a modern indoor-outdoor flow. Property owners searching for bifold patio doors, Washington, D.C. can choose from custom bifold patio doors, aluminum bifold doors, and modern bifold systems designed to elevate curb appeal and improve everyday functionality in neighborhoods like Northwest D.C., Georgetown, Capitol Hill, and DuPont Circle. Window replacement services in Washington, D.C. remain one of the smartest investments for comfort, efficiency, and property value. Whether you need energy-efficient windows, vinyl window replacement, double-pane window installation, casement window replacement, or awning window installation, experienced window and door contractors Washington, D.C. can help match the right products to the right home in the D.C. metro area. Commercial bifold door installation supports storefront visibility, customer flow, and durable performance for offices, retail spaces, and hospitality properties. Businesses seeking bifold patio doors, Washington, D.C. solutions alongside commercial storefront doors, commercial door replacement Washington, D.C., or storefront door replacement Washington, D.C. business district services can benefit from professional planning, precision fitting, and weatherproof door sealing that stands up to heavy daily use. Residential bifold doors are ideal for homeowners who want open-concept living and a premium architectural look. From residential bifold door installation Capitol Hill to bifold glass doors in Chevy Chase, D.C. area, the right system can transform patios, decks, sunrooms, and rear entrances while complementing replacement door frames and high-performance insulated glass replacement options. Sliding glass door replacement is a popular option for properties that need smooth operation, better insulation, and more usable wall space. Homeowners in Bethesda, Maryland, Alexandria, Virginia, Arlington, Virginia, and Silver Spring, Maryland near D.C. often compare sliding and bifold door upgrades. Silver Spring, Maryland near D.C. to decide which style best suits their layout and lifestyle. Broken window replacement and glass door installation and replacement services help restore safety, security, and efficiency quickly. When storms, accidents, or wear cause damage, local specialists offering window installation services Prince George's County near Washington, D.C. and door installation services in Northeast Washington, D.C. can provide fast solutions without sacrificing quality. Entry door replacement is another high-impact exterior improvement for homes throughout Washington, D.C. and nearby suburbs. Strong materials, modern designs, and expert fitting can improve insulation, security, and style, especially when paired with full-service exterior remodeling that includes replacement windows Georgetown, Washington, D.C. and premium finishes. Custom bifold doors D.C. Metro homeowners request are often designed for unique openings, historic properties, and luxury remodels. For residences in Tacoma Park, the 1500th, Falls Church, VA, and Northwest D.C., custom window and door replacement services ensure accurate sizing, smooth operation, and a tailored look that matches the architecture of the neighborhood. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. projects often focus on comfort, energy savings, and long-term durability. Energy-efficient replacement windows Washington, D.C., along with insulated glass replacement and replacement windows Georgetown, Washington, D.C., can help reduce drafts, lower energy bills, and enhance interior comfort throughout the year. Patio door installers serving Washington, D.C., Alexandria, Virginia, Bethesda, Maryland, and Capitol Hill provide a critical service for homeowners upgrading outdoor access. Whether the project calls for patio door replacement in Northwest D.C., bifold patio door replacement Washington, D.C., or residential patio doors Bethesda, Maryland, Washington, D.C. region, skilled installation makes all the difference. Commercial glass doors Rosslyn, VA near Washington, D.C. and commercial window replacement downtown Washington, D.C. require a higher level of planning and commercial-grade performance. From business district facades to office entries, reliable systems help maintain appearance, safety, and accessibility while supporting daily traffic and long-term durability. Energy-efficient windows and residential window replacement Washington, D.C. are smart upgrades for homeowners seeking lower energy costs and improved indoor comfort. Window replacement services, energy-efficient replacement windows Washington, D.C. vinyl window replacement, double pane window installation, casement window replacement, and awning window installation all help enhance performance in neighborhoods like Georgetown, Northwest DC, and Northeast Washington, D.C. Replacement windows: Georgetown, Washington, D.C., patio door replacement in Northwest D.C., and door installation services in Northeast Washington, D.C. are in high demand for properties needing reliable craftsmanship and fast turnaround. Broken window replacement, window and door upgrade, and sliding and bifold door upgrades: Silver Spring, Maryland near D.C. are ideal for aging homes, townhouses, and condos across the region. Custom window and door replacement: Tacoma Park, the 1500th, window replacement contractors, Arlington, Virginia, Washington, D.C. Metro, and exterior door replacement, Alexandria, Virginia and Washington, D.C. support both historic and contemporary properties. Bifold glass doors in Chevy Chase, D.C. area, residential patio doors, Bethesda, Maryland, Washington, D.C. region, and commercial glass doors, Rosslyn, VA near Washington, D.C. all benefit from expert fitting and durable materials. Bifold patio door experts in Silver Spring and Washington, D.C. provide aluminum bifold doors, weatherproof door sealing, and replacement door frames that keep systems operating smoothly year-round. Door frame replacement: Falls Church, VA serving D.C., window installation services, Prince George's County near Washington, D.C., and premium bifold patio doors in Washington, D.C. suburbs make it easier to complete a cohesive exterior upgrade with long-lasting results. Glass door installation and replacement, sliding glass door replacement, and commercial window replacement, downtown Washington, D.C. are ideal for damaged, outdated, or inefficient openings. Residential window replacement, Washington, D.C., commercial door replacement, Washington, D.C., and bifold patio door replacement, Washington, D.C. can transform homes and businesses with secure, stylish, and energy-conscious solutions. Property owners looking for bifold patio doors, Washington, D.C. upgrades continue to choose these systems for modern design, smooth operation, and lasting performance throughout the district and surrounding metro areas.